Hi everyone. So in this video, we will see how to write a program to convert the Roman to integer value. So the thing was here, see, if the Roman value is 1, we need to convert as a 1. And if it is L, we need to convert as a 50. So the output like this. See, the people are sending the value in a Roman format and we need to convert as a integer format. So what my plan was, first I need to put in a switch case and I created one empty array. Suppose int nums array is equal to new integer of I'm taking the length value, whatever the people are passing the input. Based on the input, I've taken the length and passed to the new integer array, and then I'm passing the loop I less than sorry s dot length and I plus plus. So later here I'm taking the switch case, switch s dot caret of I. Here I'm taking the case. The first one is m. See, whatever the people are given, I've taken those values in the switch case. If case m, then I've written nums of I is equal to 1000 and break. And case next d, nums of I is equal to what? 500 and break. And case c, here nums of I is equal to 100 break. And case L, nums of I is equal to 50 and break. And case X, nums of I is equal to 10 and here break. And case 5, nums of I is equal to what? 5 and break. In case 1, here the nums of I is equal to 1 and break. So in this case, what happened means, based on the scenario and based on the size, the new array will be created. Like suppose if the people are passing the input is this, I mean 3 in the Roman format. Here the s dot length value is 3. So the initially the new array was nums of here 1, 1, 1, because in the first time it passing the s dot caret of this one, and so it could be matched where here, so it will be filled with 1, and again it looping the things, so it will be the final format was like this way. So after that, what should we need to do? Because I can compare this thing to, I mean this 0th position to 1th position, and if it is less than, I need to deduct, or else I need to add. Because see, for example, XL means what? 40, right? So how it could be? The first position was smaller, I mean the second position was greater than the first position, mean I need to deduct. Or else if first position was like this means, I mean, here the first position was smaller than the zeroth position means I need to add up, right? So in this case, it could be 60, right? So for that reason, I'm taking one temp variable like int sum is equal to 0, where int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length minus 1, and here I plus plus, and if nums of I less than nums of I plus 1, then what should I need to do means sum minus is equal to nums of I, or else sum plus is equal to nums of I, and return. Finally, the return statement was sum plus of nums dot length minus 1. So shall we run this program? Run it and then submit the program. See, it couldn't be the success only. Because here what I've done was I've taken one new array based on the input size it will be created. Like if the people are passing three field means the size was three. So then I put it all the Roman values in the switch case. If it is match, it will be placed into the based on the index position. Like in first place, it matched the this one, so it will be placed in the I mean zeroth position. Next iteration, first position placed in the one value in the first position, and next term it is also matched with the case one only. So then also it will be placed in the second position. Then the loop is existed. I mean, then loop is not work because I less than 3 means here 3 less than 3. So in that case, it come out of the loop. And then here, after that, what should we need to do? I'm just doing that. I think some of our everyone knows, right? So here, why I should take like this means here I comparing the 0th to first position. So here, based on the scenario, actually the nums dot length value is 3. 3 minus 1 means 2 only. 0, 1, 2. Right? So here, this is the 0, and the 0th position to 0 less than 2. The condition is succeed. And here 0th to 1 plus 1. So this is 0 and this is 1. So what is doing here, sum is equal to 0 na? So it is not matched. So it goes to the else block. So here sum plus means sum is equal to sum plus of nums of I. So according to this statement, sum value is 0 and plus 1. Nums of this is the 0th position, right? So in the next iteration, the sum value is 1, and here 1 less than 2. So 1 less than 2, the condition is succeeded, and then here in the loop it going to there 1 less than 2. So again it's not a greater than, so which is equal. So that's the reason it goes to the again in the sum block. So here the sum value is 1, and the nums of one value was also 1. So it is 2. Then it going to there, here in the value was 2, and 2 less than 2, the condition is false, and so there in the return statement the sum value was 2 plus nums of nums dot length minus 1. Nums dot length means 3. 3 minus 1. 1 means 2. So nums of 2 means 0, 1, 2. The value was 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the output was 3. That's it. Thank you.